The 60-second memory swap challenge surged when creators began exchanging vivid personal stories in rapid clips, blending nostalgia with shock value. Experts note its roots in digital storytelling and reality TV confessionals, while participants describe pressure to reveal intimate details. Interviews with two veteran creators show how prompts spread via duets, crossovers, and subtle algorithmic nudges that reward brevity. Cultural observers point to the rise of authenticity over polish, triggering debates about consent, memory ownership, and the ethics of sharing. The trend's impact ranges from stronger community bonds to fatigue, shaping future formats that blend memory, performance, and responsibility.